Okay, and it should work pretty well. Awesome. Let's minimize it. Hey guys, we're live, and we're just going to work on Tez NFTs. Small, simple project. Are these people still live? What? Okay. Let me see if I am live. Alright, so we are live. And let me just pop out in case anyone. This is Stream Saturday, guys. This is Stream Saturday. So today we're just going to work on a simple project. So what is the progress? There was some sort of stupid issue with Firebase. So now we have added login thing. You will see the avatar. Anyone can post. We need to add the validation, which is something I'm planning to do soon. So when you click on save, it will save and you will get this message. Cool, and it's going to save it here. Awesome. And it's pretty easy to do. Okay. All right, now the other thing that we're going to do is to render the information. So instead of rendering this thing from the db.json, we're actually going to render it from the Firestore. So let's do it. We're gonna go to NFT list. Let's bring it here. So we have an NFT description and an NFT item and then NFT list. So these are three components in just a single file. So we are currently just doing db.map. So let's render. We're gonna do use effect. So let's just hide. Let's import. What do we need to read the document? Let's see. Add and manage data. We just want to read the data. So data model, read data, get data one. We probably need to use this real-time updates, but for now let's do this. Create a collection, a reference, and doc and set doc. Set doc is to set a doc, but we don't want that. It's just a doc, but still we want to read whole data, not a specific documentation. We want to read a collection. So this is how you do it. So we're gonna import all of this information. Awesome. And then we're gonna do is this. So we create a query. Okay. We don't need query. We just need the collection. So let's do collection ref is equals to. So by the way, it is raining outside, which is so bad. And then you create query snapshot, and then you loop over the query snapshot. Okay, get docs is how you're going to get the doc. get docs. Okay, you have get docs, and you create get docs just like this. Okay, so do const snapshot is equals to get docs collection reference. That's it. Let's define a database. It's going to be a list. We'll do snapshot.forEach. You will get document there, and then you can actually just do this. Doc.id and doc.data. Doc.data is actually the data corresponding to that, so we're gonna just do db.append, db.push, and yeah, Firebase knows everything, doesn't it? So once we have db here, we need to create state here. So we'll do db set db is equals to user state. Let's make it empty list in the beginning, and we're just going to do set db. Yeah, instead of this we're just going to do, yeah, this is fine. Now we're just going to remove this db. Okay, it makes sense. Hey, I can't believe. Hey dude, are you still here? Like, or I just missed you? Oh, okay, you are. Hey Akami, I used to watch your videos. I'm from India. You might have guessed it from my accent. And yeah, so what's up? I don't play games. So currently I am working on a small project to get the information about upcoming NFT collections on Tezos. So Tezos is a blockchain. So the thing is, if you're into the ecosystem, you will find one thing. Like, for example, there was this project called Tezarts. It was a NFT collection. So when they did their sale, after their initial sale, the price of each Tezart went to the moon. So I just want to, have a platform. I just want to make a platform where we can get the information about the, upcoming Tezos projects, upcoming NFT projects, not information about the projects after their sale, after their initial sale, but during their initial, time. So for example, if you take a look at AuTZ, this is a NFT collection that they want to launch. So launching on January 2022. So this is what I'm building. This is how it looks like, full of errors right now, but what's the error? Expected first argument of collection to be this. So db. Oh, we need to create. Oh, this is bad. We should do it. We should call it db ref. And let's import get store. What was that? It is get firestore. And now what we can do is we can const dbref is equals to get firestore. And now we can pass the reference to the collection, to the firestore database. Are we still having errors? Is not a function. We have snapshot. Do I have to wait for this? Right. So you do this, okay, you have to wait. Okay, then it's going to be an issue. You're doing it a wait, you can't have a sync here. Missing or insufficient permission. What? We can't even read it. Okay, this should be collections. Okay, we are getting the information. This is cool. If I go over here, refresh it, we just have this. So let's delete this collection, and what I'm going to do now is to make one. So let's just do place kitten. So are you still there? Because okay, you're not. So I have actually watched your videos around, you know, around Linux, which were pretty old. That's how I got to know about your channel. So NFT URL. 800 by. This will make you rich. Okay, once we added it, if I refresh, and we have the image, unfortunately some portion is broken. Okay, the issue is place kitten. Okay, it should be place kitten. Now we should be able to see. Why isn't it occupying like the whole space? We need to make it widthful. It is also widthful. Do I have to do here as well? Widthful. What is wrong with this? It's not occupying all the space. If we do width, oh, this is bad. Let's add one more. I can just put some information from db.json. Yep. if we save this, the collection is added. I should add the real-time updates as well. So this is how it looks like. Now we want to be able to upvote or downvote these. So let's do it. We'll go to NFT list, nft.id. It's what this is. Whenever you click on the upvote and downvote button, NFT item, so upvote, I should just do vote collection, and upvote is equals to true, or yeah, it's a good idea to do it, but maybe just use a string. So we'll do type. So then we can do so if first of all, I should just look into updating this. So listen for real-time updates, add and manage data. We can update. Okay. Alright, so this is what we have to do in order to update a document. So we need doc and set doc. Doc and set doc. dbref is equals to get firestore. Collection ref is equals to dbref, and then you specify the ID. So in this case it's going to be nft.id. Then you can call set doc which takes collection the reference, and so here you can specify about votes to be upvote nft.votes. It's just up, so we'll do up plus and down to this. Yep, and we also need to make sure which case it is. So we could do if type is equals to up, we'll do this, else we'll just do downvote. We're still getting error. It should be awesome. This is done. So now we can actually vote a specific collection. But this is a problem. The burdens are actually in the NFT description, so let's do here. We'll do this and you'll find these burdens. So we'll do on click vote collection and we'll do up, on click vote collection down. Invalid collection reference must be an odd number of segment. So the problem is it shouldn't be collection reference. It should be doc reference, and we'll do doc ref, and this should be db ref. Yeah, cool. What is this? What is the issue? Oh, okay, this is bad. You cannot do this. Another thing is you need to specify about the merge. So merge true. But our NFTs are just messed up. Collections. So let's just delete this once again. Okay, now we can create a new I should create a template so that I don't have to type again and again. And it's actually easy to do it. Let's go to model and we are going to do this in use effect here, and I'm gonna do, can we import db? No. So let's just copy this information, paste it here, say const c is equals to this, And what I can do now is I can say collection. Oh, awesome. GitHub Copilot is going to save me. Collection name is declared, but its value is never used. What is this? Oh, okay. Sorry. You should do this now. GitHub Pilot can handle now. Copilot. Awesome. This is nice. Cannot set properties of undefined. Right. The issue is this piece of code is actually executing before the content is rendered. Let's see. This is nice. Can we do this? So once we saved it, we should work on real-time updates now. Read data, listen for real-time updates. Okay. So what we can do here is NFT list. This is where we are actually calculating. This is where we are rendering the documents. This is the place, and you need to import on snapshot. This is when you're referencing a document. How can I reference a collection? Okay, on snapshot, and then you specify that. you specify q, which is a reference to it will give me an error. Yeah, it's not working. Without a query. Snapshot. Oh, okay, so you will get a snapshot. One second, it's not rendering the content. This is something. If I post a collection, okay, it is still not working. What's the issue? Oh, okay, this is not what we want. We just need to render. Yeah, right, this should be correct. That is a query object. Let's see. One second, it is printing, rendering again. Okay. But what's the issue then? Okay, then we don't need this. What is this? It is rendering. We don't need this on snapshot, and yeah, it is working, rendering again. So why the DOM is not getting rendered? Let's use DevTools. Post collection model, NFT list. It has the state. Set db, we're mapping and rendering the. Okay, dependency array when something changes. No, this is not. Okay, it is 1:51. I'm probably going to sleep now. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow, maybe.